How to grow the aerial roots on ficus using bamboo material. These are the fresh aerial roots emerging from a branch. There are many techniques to preserve the aerial roots. I'll use the simple method. This is the bamboo material to guide them towards the ground soil. But before this, let me tell you briefly about the species of this bonsai while we remove all the leaves. This small tree is Ficus virens, commonly known as pican. It is widely distributed in India and Southeast Asia to northern Australia. It is one of the popular trees to make a bonsai. After removing all the leaves, cut the tips of the branches, or you can just pinch out the tips to get more branches. With more branches, your bonsai will look mature and beautiful. While trimming and pinching out the branches, let's talk about the aerial roots. What are the benefits and function of aerial roots? First, they look good on bonsai if you keep them on a right place. Second, they provide the essential support to the plant. And third, they absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Aerial roots can dry out quickly, so water them regularly with spray bottle to keep them stay hydrated. First, dig out the soil to give a support to this. Now carefully insert the aerial roots and bury it, so the aerial roots can go deep in the soil. Now slowly fill it with your bonsai soil or sand to protect it from direct sunlight.